Hi everyone, today we're going to look at Module 2, Whole Numbers, Lesson 1. So we're going to go over some of our vocabulary. We have 3 vocabulary words today. The first one is the word digit. A digit is any of these numbers, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if somebody ever asks what digit, you would look at the number. The second word is place value. And remember that place value means that each digit has a place value. So the 1 is in the ones place. This 2 is in the tens place. 6 is in the hundreds. 5 is in the thousands, and so on. But when we talk about place value, if somebody asked, what is the place value of the number 4? Then you would look and say it is in the 10,000s place. Or what is the place value of 2? You would look here and you would say the place value is the tens place. So the value, just the word value, is the amount given to a digit based on the digit and its place value. So the value of the 2 in the tens place would be 20 because there are 2 tens there. So the value would be 20. The value of the 6 is the digit 6, but it's in the hundreds place, but there's 6 of them, so it's 600. So when you're talking about the value of a number, a digit in the place value, you have to know the digit and also the place value. If that 6 was in the ones place, then the value would only be 6. But since it's in the hundreds, it's 600. So the value would be 600. All right, we're going to do some examples together. So you should be following along in your packet, Module 2, Lesson 1. So if we look at these, we have a chart that will help us fill this out. So if we look here first, though, at this example, we can see that we have 2,000s cubes. So we would write in the thousands place value a 2. Then in the hundreds place, we can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4 of those hundreds flats. So that means that there's a 4 in the hundreds place. In the tens place, there are 1, 2, 3 tens rods, so that would be a 3. And then in the ones place, we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So then we would write a 5 in the ones place. So our number is 2,435. So if we would put that now in this chart, we have 2,000s, 400s, 3 tens, and 5 ones. All right, so then we have to look here. So we're going to look down here at this next example. So 590 is our number. And we know that there are 5 hundreds, there are 9 tens, and 0 ones because of the place value. But like we said in the last slide, 500s means that the value is 500. 9 tens means 9 tens is 90, and then 0 ones is still 0. If we look at this next example, we can see the 10,000s place is right here, so that's an 8, and that would be 80,000. So we would fill it in like that. There are 4,000s, so then that would be 4,000. There are 0 hundreds, so that's 0. 7 tens, so that's 70. And then 6 ones, which is worth 6. The value is 6. So that's telling us the place and also the value. So if we look here at what number is modeled, okay, we're going to look and we see we have 2,000s cubes, so that's a 2. We have 100, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens, and 4 ones. So the number modeled is 2,164. And then the place value, there's 2 thousands, so that means it's worth 2,000. There's 100, so it's worth, the value is 100. 6 tens, so if you count by tens, right, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, it is worth 60. And 4 ones is worth 4. All right, look at the next one. So again, it says for the instructions, so now we're on the next page, page 10. Give the place value and the value of each green digit. Okay, so we got to first fill out the chart. So 312, so 312 looks like this in the chart. The place is the hundreds, so we would write in hundreds. And the value of that is 300 because there's a 3 digit in the hundreds place. The next one is 59,640. So the place of the green number is 5, so that's in the 10 thousands. So we would write it like that. And since it's 10,000, there's 5 of them, that is worth 50,000. So now down here on this one, we don't have a chart to fill out, but we can see there's a 2, the green 2, and the place of that is in the tens place. So then the value of that is 20. If we look at the next one, 1,402, the place is the thousands place, and the value is just 1,000. All right. Next, we're going to just read this together, and then you'll do some things on your own. So it says, understand place value and value of digits. So using symbols, 1,462. The green number is 2, so there's 2 ones, which equals the value of 2. So it says the digit on the far right shows the number of ones. Write the value. So then it says what you do to do this is you continue moving to the left until each digit's place value and value have been named. So then we go to this one, 6 tens, which is 60. Then we go to the 4, which is 4 hundreds, which is the value of 400. And then the 1 in the thousands place is 1,000. So when you talk about this, you should be able to recognize the digit and the place value, and then also tell the value of the digit in that place. All right, now you're going to try some on your own on page 11. Good luck.